Hello, welcome to Quick Scratch tutorial from Robotica. Today we are going to make animation on Doctor's Day. So let's get started. Let me delete this cat and pick up a few sprites that I downloaded from the internet. This sprites basically includes of 3 sprites, and I'm also going to paint one sprite by myself. This sprite is going to include a short thank you message for doctors, praising them for always saving our lives, no matter what the condition is. So let's quickly design that. I'm over here going to write a simple short message. I like to tell you guys that the other 3 sprites are basically a group of doctors, a single doctor which looks like a superhero, and a small uh, quote which says not all superheroes wear capes. So that's what my other 3 sprites are. I have shared the link of all the sprites in the description below. You can download the sprites online. So I'm done writing my message over here. I'm just going to adjust the sprite so that it looks like it is in the center of the screen. Now I'm going to design my backdrop. My backdrop is going to be a pattern. I'm going to change color of all these patterns into a more attractive one. Let me pick up a red one. Next, let us start writing the program. For making the animation work, I'm going to add a sound which is a tramp sound. So let me just play that sound in the beginning when green flag is clicked. Now this first sprite, which is a group of doctors, I'm going to show that first sprite as if it is increasing on the screen. So my initial size will be 20%. Then I'm going to keep on changing its size by 10 for keep on changing its size by 8 for 10 times after every 0.1 seconds of wait. And after 2 seconds, I'm going to hide that sprite. The next sprite is going to be the small quote which says not all superheroes wear capes. In this, I'm going to uh, uh, same way I'm going to increase its size by placing it in correct position in the beginning. So now I'm going to change its size, increase its size one by one as I did in the group of doctor sprite. After every 0.1 second, I'm going to repeat this 10 times and change the size by 4. My next sprite is going to be the one in which the doctor looks like superhero. This sprite is going to stay at the same size, but it is going to slide out on the screen from the right hand side corner. So let's do that. In that also I will need repeat to change its X position continuously. So in the beginning its X and Y position are going to be out of the screen. After obviously I'll hide it in the beginning and show it when after the animation of the group of doctors. So after setting my X and Y position, I'm going to change my X by -13 every time after every repeat it in after 10 times. In the next sprite, which is going to be the quote which we designed, this sprite will come out on the screen from the left hand side. So in this also I will have to change its X position continuously. So I'm going to repeat it 10 times and the X position is going to change continuously. Let me add a small weight. So I forgot to add small weight in that one, so I'm going to add that one as well. And after all this is done, let us check our program. Thank you guys. Thank you doctors for helping us out every time. Thank you for watching our tutorial.